Uh, I'll follow first of all this code. Some students follow this. Civil CIV, that means for capacitor, current is before voltage. And L for inductor. For inductor, voltage is before current or leading. So, like capacitor, current leads voltage, current is before V or current leads V. And generally we show with this diagram, phasor diagram, this is voltage and the current is leading. But in the case of a power diagram, this is just opposite of it. You remember, it is just invert of it. Because there we use the angle, this angle is theta V minus theta I. And when we say that current is leading, that means theta I is greater. That means theta V minus theta I will be negative. And so this will be inverted. This will be drawn like this. And so we can conclude that the Q, this is the reactive part, this is the real part P, this is the reactive part Q, and this is the apparent power. So Q will be negative when the power factor is leading. So this is a point you have to keep in mind. And just opposite of this in case of a inductor, it goes up. So Q is positive, and you know that in case of an inductor, the power factor is lagging. Power factor lags.